So finally there's some progress on the Reagent robot. For one thing, I've managed to mount everything. You'll notice that the driver and the display board are mounted to the back of this little bracket here. Nothing final, of course, just a little bit easier to work with. Things aren't flopping around. The big news today is that this little valve over here from Adafruit is actually hooked up and operating. Kind of difficult to show that, but maybe you'll be able to hear it click at certain points. So just as an example, we're cleaning the chamber, and then there, that little quiet click that you probably couldn't hear was the valve opening and closing quickly in order to put in a new sample. I used the little relay driver, which is on this bob board that I make, to drive it. That's hooked in right here on the part that gets grounded by the transistor. So the transistor pulls this side to ground, and then the 12 volts is running off of the jack over here on this side. Power being supplied by a 12 volt wall wart at this point. I added a capacitor here just temporarily to make sure that the pull in of the relay didn't cause too much problem. I don't think that's actually necessary, and I'm probably going to take it back off again. You'll notice the ghetto installed back EMF diode here, which is just shoved into the back of the leads. But it's very important to have that, and the closer to the relay you can put it, the better. Still need to tear this guy apart and do something about a better mounting for the little stirrer and wiper cleaner in there. The purpose of that is to clean the inside of the reaction chamber so that when you shine the lights through it, you always get the same reading, hopefully. And then also it's used to mix the reagent. So let's see, to do. There's a little hole in the back that will allow us to inject the reagent back here, and I have a servo motor and a syringe that I need to hook up for that. I have to figure out what to do with the one-way valves. This guy right here is not actually being used yet, so that needs to be hooked up. This is a flow rate meter, so that when water flows in through the chamber and out, we can make sure that that actually did happen. Not 100% necessary, but it'll be there for at least during the initial testing, just so that we can make sure that there aren't problems with flow. And then of course I have to do the lights and the sensors, so that's coming in the future. Alright, there you go.